Golfer Tiger Woods is lucky to be alive today thanks to the 2021 Genesis GV80, a brand new model from the luxury division of Hyundai. In fact, the Los Angeles County Sheriff credits Woods' survival to the 10 airbags inside and the fact that the 45-year-old golfer was wearing his seatbelt at the time of the accident. While it's an all-new model, this luxury midsize SUV has a stellar predicted reliability rating of 5 out of 5 by U.S. News and World Report. So here's what we know as of today, just 2 days removed from the accident. Woods suffered severe injuries to his legs in a one-car rollover on a Los Angeles area street Tuesday morning. Again, just 2 days ago from this recording. He was driving on a windy residential road where his SUV hit a sign, a curb, and then crossed over 2 lanes of traffic, and then eventually traveled down a gully and ended up on the driver's side upside down. This GV80 is so new that the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has yet to give it its rating so far. However, the brand's rated vehicles, the G70 and G90, have both received superior rating scores across the board, including the coveted Insurance Institute for Highway Safety top safety pick. So it's expected that this GV80 and the G80, the smaller version of this vehicle, will also fare very well when it comes to the safety tests. Now, obviously, I now have firsthand experience driving this all-new luxury SUV from Genesis. I'm very excited about it. It's solid, high quality, tons of fantastic technology, and phenomenal safety systems. Today, I'm going to break down those for you. If you want to see my full recap and review of this vehicle, you can check it out in the link below this video or simply check my YouTube channel. So let's get started.
The GV80 has 10 airbags located between the driver's seat and center console. The front center airbag deploys in 0.3 seconds in the event of a side collision to help prevent the 2 front passengers from colliding with each other or with vehicle components. It comes standard on all GV80 models, along with 9 other airbags. The advanced driver assistance systems on the GV80 employ cameras and sensors to detect obstructions or minimize the impact from collisions. It enhances these capabilities with machine learning to further assist the smart cruise control and highway driving assist. When activated, smart cruise control automatically adjusts throttle and braking to maintain a set distance from vehicles ahead. This 2021 adds a new dimension with machine learning that is able to learn the driver's behavior even when smart cruise control is not activated. By observing the timing and responsiveness of the driver's acceleration and the following distance maintained, the system can approximate similar behavior when smart cruise control is activated. A new feature called Road Preview allows the front-facing camera to scan the road ahead and identify speed bumps and other impediments. If any are detected, the electronically controlled suspension automatically adjusts suspension damping to reduce body movement and wheel impact harshness. The Road Preview feature comes standard on the GV80 3.5T. Its state-of-the-art advanced driver assistance systems include Highway Driving Assist 2. This system assists the driver in a greater variety of situations than ever before, including during lane change maneuvers when the turn signal is used and when others merge in front of the driver. Smart Cruise Control with machine learning, a world first. This incorporates artificial intelligence within the advanced driver assistance system feature that helps the car learn the driving style of the driver. For collision-avoidance assist, this system may help automatically bring the vehicle to a stop in certain situations where there is a risk of collision with an approaching vehicle detected on the left or right side of the intersection. GV80 may also help detect potential collision risks in certain situations where, for example, a pedestrian is sensed in close proximity to the vehicle while in motion. Blind spot collision avoidance assist. This essentially is a blind spot monitor with active capabilities. This helps reduce the chance of potential impact with a moving vehicle or may alert the driver if a vehicle is detected in the driver's blind spot. Lane follow assist. This helps a driver stay in the center of its lane by recognizing the lane markers and vehicles traveling ahead. Additional safety features debuting on this GV80 include lane change oncoming. This helps prevent collisions with vehicles in opposing lanes on non-divided highways or roads. Lane side. This helps prevent side collisions when merging into another lane with the ability to see 2 lanes over. Junction turning. This function automatically applies the brake if a vehicle is detected in the opposite lane when making a left turn at an intersection. Junction crossing. The car will automatically apply the brakes if a vehicle crossing from the left or the right is detected when entering an intersection. Evasive steering torque assist. This helps in avoidance maneuvers by applying steering torque once the driver has initiated steering input. Rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. This feature warns drivers of cars coming from the left or right while backing up or automatically brakes if a collision seems imminent.
It's important to note that all of these safety features I just mentioned exist to aid or prevent in the event of a crash. And for Genesis, this focus on safety and build quality may in fact have saved Tiger Woods' life. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.